Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today I'm answering your questions. Is the carnivore diet good for you? We're going to talk about it today. Well, before we get started, I just want to share that at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away a free gift. And if you're into free gifts, which I totally am, then leave a review of one of my books either on Amazon or thebiblicalnutritionist.com. And I have plenty of books for you to choose from, either the Bible study or the 7 Foods of the Promised Land, which is my ultimate favorite book, or even the Daniel Fast book or the Nutrition Manual. Now there's an encyclopedia of great information for you. So check out one of my books so that you can leave a review on one of those two sites. Then, if you would like to have your question answered here, join our private Facebook group, Biblical Nutrition Academy, and you can post your question there. So for today, the winner is going to get a really good multivitamin that goes into the microbiome and brings healing to the microbiome. So then you have better brain function. Now raise your hand if you're into better brain function. All right, let's get to today's questions. Question is, what are your thoughts on trying a carnivore diet for depression and anxiety versus taking medication? I trust your input. God bless. This is Dorothy. Well, first of all, please note that I am not here to make any suggestions for or against medications. Let's get that clear. I'm only here for, let's just say, entertainment. That is the safest way I can put it. There are mental benefits to the carnivore diet, but there are also problems as well. Mental health comes from the microbiome. What we eat is first digested, and then neurotransmitters are released that directly affect the brain and our moods. Next, the reason the carnivore diet works is for some is that it changes the insulin overload. That allows the entire body to get back into sync and burn toxins, which helps heal a toxic brain. Now, the con of this is that many people just live on steaks and burgers and believe this is the best diet ever. Well, that will never work long term. Those foods do not build up a sustainable microbiome for a defense against many of the pathogens or the challenges that come our way. We must have fermented foods, probiotic, prebiotic rich foods, plus a lot of fiber to build a strong immune system. There's not much fiber in a steak. Thanks for asking that. Is the carnivore diet good for the kidneys? What are your thoughts? Submitted by Connor. Well, there's much debate about this exact question. First, I must ask myself, what is the long-term effect on the body for this diet? Now, since the kidneys process proteins, and when our protein count in the blood and the urine are high, that is not always that we have too much. It's just that we are spilling it and it's not absorbing. So if I determined the carnivore diet was necessary for the health reason, which is very unlikely, but if I did, I would take a digestive enzyme with every meal to make sure that there was enough proteases in the enzyme to absorb the high protein intake. Thanks for asking. Question is, do humans really need fiber? What about a carnivore diet? Submitted by Christopher. You can hear we have a trend today on the carnivore diet. It's a very popular topic and so many people are asking about it. So to answer as biblical as possible, God created the garden and every food in it. It was a super high fiber diet. Now, that must mean that Adam, who had not yet earned his degree in nutrition, would be healthy for his entire life. Now then the removal from the garden and everything changes. Yet all throughout Scripture and through the agricultural studies of Israel, it shows a very high fiber diet. Without fiber, there's no food for the probiotics. There's no broom to remove the toxins. When I feed my dog a very high raw meat diet, her poop still happens, but it causes constipation. So thanks for asking this question. Well, today's winner is Audrey Thomas. Audrey Thomas, please send us an email at info@thebiblicalnutritionist.com and I will send you out the Vita GBX, which is the perfect multivitamin for all ages to take because it's got specific enzymes and extracts for the microbiome, which we just talked about, and it has our essential vitamins and minerals for a healthy day. So check out Amare's Vita GBX, and we will be shipping that out to Audrey Thomas. Send us an email, like I said, and then give us your address. We'll ship it out to you. For the rest of you, please check out my books at Amazon and The Biblical Nutritionist. Leave a review, and you'll get put in the drawing for a free gift. Thank you for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health, which always, always, always includes the gift that God has given you, and that is His love and His desire to have a relationship with you that is real and personal, greater than any relationship you've ever had in your life. He's loved you for the same from yesterday, today, and forever, and He's waiting to talk to you. Thanks for watching.